Today is January the 17th, 2013. In 3 hours, we got this much snow. It's amazing. Earlier, I heard thunder. I couldn't believe it. I saw lightning. It's just crazy. Take it over.
Fail.
I feel like a little kid again.
Don't fall. There's a car coming.
I'm really gonna fly this time. Fly Christmas vacation.
You gonna try standing up?
Oh, I can.
Oh, you're gonna bust your head.
You can do it.
Yeah, you can do it. You did it. What's the matter?
It's icing. And it's cold. I don't like cold. We live in the south. That's supposed to be cold.
We live in the mountains. You can tell that by Jake's beard.
But my beard.
You got an Indian beard.
Patchy here, patchy there.
Yep. Highway 81 and the crossroads of where we live, and I'm not going to tell you the name of this street because I don't want anybody coming to my house. But our neighbor has run off in the ditch over here. We're going to go help him. This, look, show them how bad the road is.
Yeah, that's the road.
No one will be getting out today or tomorrow.
School's already closed tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I got to get out. I got to go to Memphis tomorrow.
Oh, good luck.
You see where the flood, for 3 days before the snow came, we were flooded. Now the flood waters have froze. You can see the main road. In Tennessee, snow is a natural resource, so they don't touch it.
Speaking of floods, hey Beau, did you ever hear that joke? Do you need an ark built? Because I know a guy.
Yeah. Heard that when I was in vacation Bible school. And I won't tell you how long ago that was.
A couple years ago, right?
Yeah. Show the ice.
This is normally a
Cornfield.
yeah, cornfield.
It's not, there's no ponds here anywhere.
Except for the past 3 days.
Yeah.
Somebody might have beat us to the other. Yep, they done called somebody.
They better not cheat us out of our good deed.
What?
I said they better not cheat us out of our good deed.
Hey.
Where'd you get hit, Dakota?
right there. Oh, right in the numbers. Oh gosh. I wasn't ready for that. Oh. Thanks for aiming that a foot higher than you did. Oh. If it was any lower, it would have been America's Funniest Home Videos worthy. Good for you guys, bad for me. That was a heavy snowball. Maybe we need to get Wayne Painter and his tractor to come down here.
Windbreaker.
That's what I got. I got a windbreaker.
What?
I'm not gonna do anything, I promise.
How are you trying to help?
I'm helping myself. All of this just went off the face. Oh yeah. Knife and thieves.
Thanks a lot.
Doesn't feel good, does it?
And he's down.
Yeah, that's what you get.
I
What do you
caught
say
it.
about that?
I caught it, but it broke. That one was hard. That's pretty much ice.
Yeah, don't throw it.
Probably wouldn't feel good.
Oh, you're cheating.
45 minutes. She's still stuck, can't get her out. Police came by, said there's nothing they can do, there's too many wrecks. They're just going from one call to the next. Snowplows come through about 15 minutes ago, and what they plowed is already covered again. It's wintertime in East Tennessee. Misty loves it.
No, I don't. I hate it. Beau's the one that loves it. Howdy. Just a friendly neighbor passing by saying hello.
Well, if you're watching from East Tennessee, we hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's in the house warm. So you can see the snow continues to fall. Where Misty and Jake and Dakota was sleigh riding, it's already covered back up. I'm going in the house to watch Jebediah Johnson and enjoy the snow.
Like Beau said, everybody out there be safe and be careful if you're out and about. Try your best not to go out unless you absolutely have to. But please, just be safe out here on these roads, okay?
Oh, one last thing. How do they expect you to get out of your driveway when they pile 4 more feet of snow on the front of it?
God bless everyone. Be safe.